Hello and welcome to Maximity's next 2-Minute Tuesday. My name is Bronya and this video is about Facebook. So you're scrolling through Facebook one day and is somebody giving away a free caravan? No, they're not, unfortunately. When coming across posts that offer freebies in exchange for simply liking and sharing a post, before you get too excited, click on the name to load up their Facebook page. When you're on a company's page, if you scroll down, you'll find an option called Page Transparency, then a further option to See All. This section will give you all the details of when the page was created, as well as any name changes it's had. This video was recorded back at the end of August. You can see in Page Transparency that they only created that page a month prior. At the time of recording, the caravan post had 10,398 likes. If we go back onto their page, now nearly 2 weeks later, it has 15,933 likes and no posts. It's almost as if it was taken down for being a scam. This may not seem like a big deal, but scammers will create posts designed to get people to like, comment, share and follow. Either the page gains enough followers and is then sold on, or in order to add an entry into this competition, you need to fill out a survey with your email address or other details which are then sold on. I'm going to use the search function on Facebook to look up Bennett's Caravans. And yeah, there's a few. One of them's a wig shop. You're likely to find a large number of duplicate pages that random scammers have created. Your best chance of picking the correct account is to look for a verification tick. On the left side of the screen under Pages, there's an option to select for a verified profile. Since now all of those Bennett's Caravans pages have disappeared, it's probably safe to assume that this company doesn't exist. If it's too good to be true, it literally is. Think twice before liking and sharing giveaway and competition posts. Just because an image has a logo of a big brand name, it doesn't mean that page has anything to do with that company. The caravan with minor damage that absolutely has to be given away immediately isn't real. The previous competition winner didn't collect their prize because the prize isn't real and neither are they.